Hello guys, yeah, welcome back. I'm Xiao Gang. Okay, yeah, today I'm just received my Orient Bambino. Yeah, I'm very exciting. So just want to share my happiness with you guys. This unboxing my Orient Bambino. Yeah, and then I just give a quick review about this amazing watch. So yeah, let's have a look. Let's take a look together. Okay, just have a quick wrist check with you guys. Today I'm wearing my LUC Chopard. As you can see here, very nice. This is a Micro Rodo LUC Chopard. Caliber 4.96, 40 millimeters. Very nice. Okay. Yes. This is the okay. This is the receipt. Okay. Very nice. Very good. Okay. Let's take a look on what is this. Wow, nice man. I got the very nice Orient. This is the original Orient watch stand that I request from with them. This very nice, as you can see, the Orient watch stand for my Orient Bambino. Very nice. Let's put it aside. This is the Orient. Let's take a look. Where's my cutter, man? Very nice. Ta-da! Very nice. Orient, Japan. Nice. I love it. Very nice. So yeah, this is I never opened the packaging. Yeah, so this is the first time I'm sharing with you guys with this video. So yeah, let's take a look. Ooh, very nice. I love the cream down. Let you guys have a look. Very nice. Very nice. I got the Orient tag over here, as you can see. Okay. This is the code is AC00009N. The retail price in Malaysia ringgit is 930 ringgit. Very nice. Very nice. This is a very nice watch. And I got the new, I think this is a new type of watch box that is not those like very cheap. This is quite very heavy, as you can see. Very nice. This is leather. Very nice. And I got the guarantee booklet over here. I think. Yes, very nice. Orient, Japan. Nice. Okay, let's have a look. Okay. You can see. Very nice. Okay. Just a quick review. This is bit with upgrading. Yeah, it's a upgrading Orient F6274. I'm not really sure. I think I forgot about the watch caliber, the name. But this is the upgrade caliber from Orient in-house. Okay, and then there is a hacking second, and then there's a manual winding compared to the previous one that don't have the manual winding. This is, yeah, very nice. 40.5 millimeters. Very nice. 40.5 millimeters. Yes. Very nice. The lug width is 21 millimeters. It's quite hard for me to yeah, you know, like change to other kind of strap. But yeah, I will try my best. Of course, yeah, just try to find some strap that I like, I prefer. Yeah, very nice. Let's have a look behind. Orient.co.ltd. Like I got the genuine leather. Okay, very nice. I got the word is Orient. Water resistant stainless steel. The Orient logo. Very nice. Okay. This is amazing. It's a very nice watch. I got the blue hand. The vanilla cream dial is totally stunning. I can tell. Very nice. Okay. And then, yeah, the chaptering, as you can see, the railroad chaptering. It's very vintage. Give a very vintage, deep vintage feel. Very nice. As you can see. Very nice. Right, guys, this is my unboxing video for today. Maybe after I will just do a quick review, another review video for this amazing Orient Bambino. Right, see you guys next time. Bye.